me give you some reasons you should review this home on Riesling. It's refreshing, it's radiant, and it is ready to move into. Take a look.
Welcome home. This immaculately maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath property with a 2-car garage plus an office is nestled in the beautiful Vineyards neighborhood. Step inside and be welcomed by a spacious open floor plan with a large living area featuring plenty of natural light. The kitchen has everything you need, from a nice-sized corner pantry to breakfast bar and dining area. Nearby, you'll find an isolated owner's suite as well as an isolated 4th bedroom. Enjoy entertaining guests on your covered back patio while admiring the lush landscaping that adorns this amazing property. And don't forget about the RV parking pad with gates. Don't miss your opportunity to see this one.
Weren't those valid reasons to view this home? Remember, it's in the Vineyards with a very versatile floor plan. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.